Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can add slider in your Shopify down theme. So it's very easy. First go to your online store admin panel and just click customize button and make sure it's a down theme and click customize. Now here you can see header, template and footer. So now we are gonna add slider section. So that's why just here click on add new section. Now here search slideshow, SLID slideshow, click on that. Now here you can see the slider already added. It's a default slider, and now on the right side here you can see follow it grid. Now if I change it grid, it's changed, so leave it follow it, it's nice. Now here you can see slide height. Here we can increase or decrease the slide height. It's small, large, just adjust your preferable size. So I am leave it medium, it's nice. Now here you can see dot, counter, number, pagination style. So this is the pagination style. So if you change this style, you can change it from here. You can see if you choose dot, it changes dot, and here you can see change slide every. That means every 5 seconds later the slide will be changed. And animation, image behavior, you can adjust it by yourself. Now if you want to change this slider image, just click on that, and here you can see we have the image tab, select image and choose your image. You can add any image from here, so I already added it. Just close this down, and here we go. We have changed the image, and you can add another image from here. Just click on that, choose your image. So we have added 2 images. Now if you want to change this text and this text, you can do it very easy. Just click on that and change it. And next you can change everything. You can change the button label, and you can add also button link. From here you can add page link, product link, or you can add custom link, page link, collect, wishlist, contact. So this is the way to make a slider. And finally just click save. Yes, we have added a slideshow in our down theme. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.